In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in Google Sheets. Tagging people directly in a Google Sheet is a simple way to get their attention on something specific, like a number that looks off or a task that needs to be completed. Instead of sending separate emails or messages, you can leave a note right in the spreadsheet and tag the person who needs to see it. First, open your Google Sheet and navigate to the exact cell you want to talk about. This might be a cell with a value that needs review, a blank cell where you want someone to add information, or a total that you want double-checked. Click once on that cell so it's clearly selected. It's important to be precise here because the person you tag will be taken directly to that cell when they open the comment. With the cell selected, press the @ symbol on your keyboard. As soon as you type the @ sign, Google Sheets will recognize that you're trying to mention or tag someone. Right after the @ symbol, start typing the person's name or their email address. As you type, Google Sheets will show you a drop-down list of matching contacts. This usually includes people you've emailed recently, collaborators on the document, and contacts from your organization. Look through that drop-down and click on the correct person. Take a moment to make sure you've picked the right contact, especially if multiple people have similar names. When you click their name, it will automatically be inserted into the comment with the @ symbol in front of it. That's what creates the actual tag. Now add your message in the comment box. Be clear and specific so the person knows exactly what you need. For example, you might say something like, "Can you confirm this number?" Or, "Please update this cell with the latest data." Once you're happy with what you've written, click the comment button to post it. If the person you tagged doesn't already have access to the spreadsheet, Google Sheets will let you know and prompt you to share it with them. You can quickly adjust their access level, usually giving them either viewing or editing rights, and then confirm. After that, they'll receive an email notification with your comment and a link that takes them straight to the tagged cell. And that's all there is to it. By tagging people directly in Google Sheets, you keep conversations tied to the exact data you're talking about, making collaboration faster, clearer, and much easier to manage.